Imagine having a Galaxy Z Flip 5 with a broken folding screen and deciding not just to fix it, but to reinvent it completely by adding a physical keyboard. Yes, you read that right. This is exactly what one inventive creator did, turning a damaged device into a fascinating hybrid smartphone. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the future of smartphone customization, or just a quirky hack with limited practical use? Let's dive in. So, what do you do when your Galaxy Z Flip 5's folding screen breaks? Most would simply send it for repairs or get a replacement device. However, YouTuber and tech innovator Marcin Plaza took a wildly different route. Instead of tossing the phone aside or just fixing the screen, he attached a BlackBerry Q10 physical keyboard onto the folded Z Flip 5 frame, transforming it into a unique slider phone. But Plaza didn't stop at slapping on a keyboard. He engineered a magnetic slider mechanism inspired by classic slider phones like the Nokia N97 and Samsung D500. This feature allows the BlackBerry keyboard to slide smoothly out from beneath the phone, mimicking those nostalgic devices from the early smartphone era. It's a clever blend of modern foldable tech and vintage design that most people wouldn't even consider. However, making the keyboard functional on the Z Flip 5 was far from simple. It involved intricate soldering work, designing a custom printed circuit board, PCB, and utilizing an Arduino Pro Micro board to emulate a USB keyboard interface. Plus, Plaza had to remove the original phone's hinge and various internal components to accommodate this new setup. The remaining parts, including the cover screen and keyboard, reside within two precision-machined aluminum frames, giving the device a sturdy yet hacker-esque finish. Watching his video, you'll see Marcin typing effortlessly in applications like YouTube and even playing popular games such as Minecraft and Terraria using the physical keyboard. This means the keyboard is not just a gimmick, it's fully operational. And for those who prefer traditional touch input, the phone's touchscreen and virtual keyboard remain usable, so you don't have to abandon the flexibility of a modern foldable smartphone. For context, there is a commercially available option called the Clicks keyboard case, which similarly adds a physical keyboard experience to foldable phones. However, it's designed primarily for more recent Motorola Razr models, as well as select iPhone and Pixel devices, not the Samsung Z Flip series. Plaza's project therefore remains unique and is a brilliant example of how you might creatively get around the problem of a broken foldable display. So what do you think? Is Plaza's fusion of a classic BlackBerry keyboard with a contemporary foldable phone a glimpse into a new era of smartphone customization? Or is it merely a fun but impractical experiment that highlights the challenges of relying on fragile folding screens? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see any real-world use for modifications like this? Or would you prefer to stick with standard repairs? Share your opinions and join the debate below.